The market continues to rally high after earnings last week and big earnings this week as well. Welcome to the Brass Bell Podcast. So today the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose today, and yesterday they were up as well. So we continue to see an uptrend with them. Same with the S&P 500. It looks like that is going to be continuing in the green today, as well as the Nasdaq and the Russell 2000. All are up today, and we will just keep a close eye on those to see if they will continue to rally today. Today, I'd like to talk about Ford. I think they're a very interesting stock these days. The ticker is, of course, F. On Friday, they did close at $17.08. For the past few years, Ford has actually been on a downtrend, but it seems like this year, Ford has made some pretty substantial gains. And I think the reason for that is they've been moving into the electric car space, and that is a growing industry rather than a dying industry with the regular combustion engines. So that is actually really exciting for them as their electric Mustang continues to grow in popularity. Nowhere near as popular as the Tesla, but anything popular for them is a good thing, especially something new. Ford hasn't seen anything new in a really long time. So with that announcement, it seems like investors are more interested in Ford than they have been in recent years. They have a PE ratio of about 24, and their market cap is $68 billion dollars. And I did want to talk about a little bit about what I'm going to be talking about tomorrow. Actually, I am currently reading the SEC filing for another IPO coming this week on the 4th, I believe, is when they're expected. And this is NerdWallet. I'm really interested in this particular stock, just because it's kind of a new space of online financial tools to help people to better finance and better able to make good financial decisions. And so I'm kind of interested in their business model, how they make money, and if they are making money. I'll bring all of that to you tomorrow as I read that today. So I'm excited for that. And also, I will be looking at earnings and seeing like what company is reporting and what exactly is going to happen this week with earnings. I want to talk a little bit about what's happening today in earnings. It doesn't look like there's huge companies reporting today. I'm more excited about the rest of the week. Like tomorrow, we are going to hear from Pfizer. We're also going to hear from Activision, which I'm kind of interested to see where they're going, because lately Activision in the news hasn't been so well. They've been involved in several legal problems with their staff, with their employees being unhappy with how they were treated, and also how there's a couple other like strange business practices that they've been engaged in that everybody's kind of scratching their head. So we'll just have to see how that goes. Let's see. And there's a couple of oil companies reporting earnings tomorrow as well, such as BP and just a few others, like just lots of oil companies. I don't want to get into them. Once you hear one, you hear them all. Lyft is also reporting earnings tomorrow as well. Interesting. They're close to making money. Well, we'll have to see if they will ever make any money. And then let's see. We got Ralph Lauren. We have Solar Edge Technologies, T-Mobile. and Zillow all reporting on Tuesday. Then we have Wednesday. We have CVS Health. We have a couple other retail companies reporting. We also have Brooks Holdings, which will be good. Etsy will be good. Their online presence is still pretty big. I feel like it's growing in popularity, so that'll be interesting to see. GoDaddy is reporting as well. A couple other oil companies. And then Roku. Let's see. Thursday we have Moderna reporting earnings, which will be important. Airbnb. A couple gold stocks. Cigna. GoPro. Pinterest is reporting earnings as well. A couple other pharmaceutical companies. And then Toyota. Friday we have Honda, and that looks like it. So we'll be keeping a close eye on those and seeing how those are going to affect the market. And I'm pretty hopeful with these companies. It doesn't look like anything too crazy, and it looks like more positive earnings to come. But we will see. We will take a look, see what's going to happen. As far as the supply chain issues, it looks like as soon as the pandemic is over, whenever that's going to happen, we'll see some relief in that. So we'll just keep a lookout on that. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you for tuning in, and have a great day.